Princess Jenny, your frog... your prince is here.
What do you think?
She's beautiful. Good work, Casey.
Thanks. I just wish I could have made her hair stay down.
Huh?
How do, Casey? Carter, Tusky.
Hi.
Oh, and my dear sweet frog, here you are.
My princess, are you ready to kiss me?
No.
But it's time. Today's the day.
Oh, it's such a special occasion. I can't decide what to wear.
Not again. But you look terrific. Oh, come on. Just a peck on the forehead.
No, it will never do. I must look appropriate for my prince.
But I'm here. It's me. And I think you look fabulous.
Oh, help me decide, dear frog.
Oh, boy. Here we go again. Will you wear white? Oh, my dear. Oh, my dear. Will you wear white, Jenny Jenkins?
No, I won't wear white, for the color's too bright. I'll buy me a foldy, roldy, tildy, toldy, seek a double, use a color roller, find me roll. Jenny Jenkins roll.
Oh. Will you wear blue? Oh, my dear. Oh, my dear. Will you wear blue, Jenny Jenkins?
No, I won't wear blue, 'cause blue won't do. I'll buy me a foldy, roldy, tildy, toldy, seek a double, use a color roller, find me roll. Jenny Jenkins roll.
Princess, you look fine.
Oh, no, no, no,
come
no.
on. Will you wear green? Oh, my dear. Oh, my dear. Will you wear green, Jenny Jenkins?
No, I won't wear green, it's the color of a bean. I'll buy me a foldy, roldy, tildy, toldy, seek a double, use a color roller, find me roll. Jenny Jenkins roll.
Well, are you going to kiss me or not?
Yes.
Huh?
No. Maybe so. Yes. No. Maybe so. Yes. No. Maybe so.
All right, listen.
This is your prince speaking. One little kiss and I'm all yours.
Yes. No. Maybe so. Yes. No. Maybe so.
Please make it so. Say yes. Don't say no. Please make it so. Say yes.
Let's go.
Please make it so. Say yes. No.
Oh.
Do you think she'll kiss him?
Yes. No.